this month of December, there's been a lot of accident happening already. I don't want to disclose where I'm at currently, but last week there's been so many accidents. I think three. The first one, it was more of a cash in transit, and then what happened was, I think there were 7 people. 3 got killed. It's funny. It's funny because 3 got killed, 1 got injured, and 3 flew away. It was a hot pursuit. Do you know, like a cop chase, something like that, where I saw it on the news, not on TV, live. They were recording the news live right in front of me, and I'm like, did they really kill those niggas? Yep, they killed them. But 3 flew away. I mean, my thing is, if you're gonna rob a bank or hijack a certain thing, hijack a car or do a cash transit, and you're going with 2 cars, why can't you take different routes? Because you can see that it's a hot pursuit behind us. These motherfuckers decided to follow each other up until the other car gets into an accident. I'm like, what kind of robbers are they? What kind of criminals are they? People are on fatigue, people need money, but some people are doing some stupid shit just to get that paper. Imagine, that's some crazy shit. But I want to talk about something. Have you realized that when black people smoke and when white people smoke, we're smoking different? I mean, I get it, it's an odd statement to say. Why would you say that? I mean, white people, when they're smoking, they be just 3 puffs and then they throw the cigarettes away. Black people, they go smoke that cigarette up until that cheese turns brown. Like, they just want to kill themselves like, yeah, kill me one time. So, and I've realized that black people, when we smoking like cigarettes, we smoking strong stuff and fake stuff. Your Caesar, your RG, your Paul whatsoever, those are fake products. And when white people smoking, mostly they like to vape and they like to those cigarettes that have mint. Actually, I don't get it why they're really smoking, because they say smoking can kill you. It can kill. But what they smoking, it's light. Why are you trying to kill yourself softly? Just kill yourself one time. Die. Die, you motherfucker. You deserve to die. We've been perishing, struggling because of you niggas. Now you decide to create fake shit so that us, black people, can buy them at cheap price so that we can die faster. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. Or maybe I think it's best people just stop smoking at all, because it doesn't make sense that you know that this thing can kill you, but you're still trying to force this shit down your throat. How much do you think you're left with in this life? Because you're busy smoking, you're busy damaging your lungs. Just quit smoking one time. And I've realized this. It's only white people that manufactures cigarettes, alcohol. Black people don't manufacture alcohol. No, they just rebrand. I just realized this. Black people can't produce alcohol for shit. They just rebranding and mixing some flavors here and there. They can't do shit from scratch. It's rare. It's rare. Because once you do that, and once that product of yours get to kill somebody or get to affect somebody in a negative way, you will be destroyed. But as a white person, creating that product, manufacturing whatsoever that product, that smoke or that drink, whether it kills motherfuckers every day, they don't care. In fact, the government is supporting them. They be like, nigga, we need sin tax. It's called sin tax, right? The price for sin tax, is it the price of petrol or what? But there's the tax that they are charging those products. your brandies, your alcohol, your cigarettes, and whatsoever. And what they told me is that if, as the world, we stop manufacturing alcohol and smoke, the economy will fall, will crash dismally. So here's my question. Do we really need to smoke, or do we really need to navigate the economy by sacrificing our health? God damn. I'm wondering, where does it end? To be honest, where does it end? Because it kills motherfuckers every day. Every fucking day people die. But the government, they don't give a damn. As long as the economy is being boosted, it's being uplifted, they feel like everything is okay. But I don't know. Maybe we need to start taking care of ourselves, our health. Never mind this government shit, they ain't gonna protect you. Never mind these doctors, this pharmaceutical whatsoever. Have you realized that even our lotions, okay, I don't want to talk bad about these lotions, but have you realized that even our lotions, our body lotions and whatsoever, they got some petroleum also. So it's oil. Alcohol, smoke, and oil are the necessities of the economy in this world. Oil, like oil. So we're really consuming oil when we put this shit on. Or maybe, okay, not this one, but a lotion. Come on, man, come on. So where does it all end? Because it feels like in this world, it's all about capitalism. There's no monopoly in this life. There's somebody who told me that, globalization whatsoever. I mean, what I've realized is that it doesn't matter what's happening in the world. The system, fourth industrial revolution, AI, everything. But do we really think that the fourth industrial revolution will destroy humanity? I mean, it has already started, but we cannot really wipe away the history of humanity. In this world, as much as people doing bad stuff, there'll always be that one nerd who'll be like, but you know what, you know that what you're doing is wrong, right? You know you need to repent, right? You know you need to get your shit together, right? So I don't really think that humanity can be wiped away fully, but we're living in times where humanity, sometimes it doesn't have value in what we're doing. But hey, here's another bullshit story.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung